Numbers are still. People are becoming.
如果分數唔係全部，咁點解我仲係咁在意？又點解小樣可以好似完全唔在乎？
你嘅痛苦其實唔關佢事。
我真係唔明，點解小樣好似完全唔在乎成績？我明明咁着緊，咁努力，最後辛苦嗰個反而係我。
因為你痛苦唔係嚟自佢唔在乎成績，係因為你一路都係喺度比較。
比較？
你一路學，一路同人比，一路學，一路計自己付出咗幾多，值唔值得？但人唔會無端端咁計，計較後邊通常都藏住恐懼，驚輸，驚落後，最驚係付出咁多，結果都係唔值。小勇12歲先至第一次接觸 ABC， 你細細個就已經開始，你學得早，但未必學得遠，佢學得遲，但未必行得慢。去問下佢啊，去問下一個唔使計數嘅人點樣學英文。
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
Why did you start learning English?
Because of my teacher.
What happened?
She got sick one day. Doctor came. They talked. I understood very little. I wanted to help, but I could not. I did not start learning for good results. I started because I did not want that distance again. Later, I kept learning because I cared. If you care about someone, you keep learning. You don't keep asking if it is worth it. What about you?
原來我一直最在意嘅唔係英文本身，係自己有冇輸。我一路學，一路同人比較，一路學，一路計自己付出咗幾多，值唔值得。原來我咁計較，唔係因為我特別理性，係因為我驚自己落後，驚自己唔夠好，驚學咗咁耐，結果都係唔值。佢學得遲，但佢唔係為咗贏，佢係因為在乎，所以可以一直學，唔使一路同代價講條件。
所以你以為自己只係計較，其實計較後邊係恐懼。Fear counts the cost. Love bears the cost. 小樣都付代價，但唔係因為佢驚而學，佢係因為愛而學。所以學得早未必學得遠，學得遲未必行得慢。